Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Mediterranean recipes. And today we're going to be making Mediterranean rice with chicken. So right here, first thing we're going to be doing, I'm going to make the stuff to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to have about 2 tablespoons of mustard, like so. Then right here I have a half tablespoon of black pepper. A half a tablespoon of salt. Then right here I have 1 garlic clove that I'm gonna be grating and adding to the rest of the ingredients, like so. Then we're gonna be adding about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, like so. We'll be mixing everything together. And right here I have about 2 pounds of chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and start marinating our chicken, like so. After we get all our chicken marinated, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge until we make our rice. So after that, we're gonna move on and start making our rice. So first thing we're gonna need for our rice is 2 tablespoons of butter, like so. Then we're gonna let them melt before we add the rest of the ingredients. After our butter melts, I'm gonna go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then about a half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, and a half a teaspoon of cumin. After that, I have right here 1 cup of rice, or 8 ounces of rice. I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients and then let the rice saute with the rest of the ingredients for about 5 minutes. After that, right here, I added 2 cups of hot water to the rice, and then I'm gonna let it cook for 15 minutes on low heat. After that, in a frying pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then I'll be bringing my marinated chicken, like so. When your frying pan heats up, go ahead and turn your burner to low heat and cover it, and we'll let it brown from the bottom. Then after that, we'll turn it around and brown it from both sides. Right here, after 15 minutes, our rice should be ready. I'm gonna remove it and put it to the side and let it rest for about 10 minutes before I serve it. So right here, after about 7 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and start turning our chicken to the other side. If you noticed, there is a lot of water that's coming out of the chicken, and that's what's gonna keep it moist, like so. And then we're gonna let it cook from the other side. Then right now we can see that the water started evaporating a little bit at a time. I'm gonna just turn it to the other side. And then we're gonna keep it uncovered this time for a few more minutes on this side. And then we'll turn it on the other side one more time and it should be ready. So right now, I'm gonna just go ahead and flip them to the other side for a few more minutes. And then our chicken should be ready. At this point, our chicken is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and serve it with the rice. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you. And today we're going to be making Mediterranean.
Today we're going to be making Mediterranean chicken and rice.
And today we're going to be making Mediterranean chicken and rice.